Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to learn about the properties of integers. Here we are going to learn that whether the sum of two integers is an integer or not. If the sum of two integers is an integer, so we can say that the integers are closed under additions. Okay, now let's see. Suppose we are taking two integers, 3 and another integer I am taking 2, and we are finding the sum. Now what is the sum of this two integer? Minus 3 plus 2, we subtract, what we get here? Minus 1. Minus 1 is an integer. Is an integer. So we can say that integers are closed under addition. Now let's see whether the subtraction of two integer is an integer or not. It's the same thing. We will take the two integers. Suppose again we are taking minus 3 and another number is I'm taking 2 because we want to subtract. That's why I'm writing here plus 2. Here when you subtract, what we get here? Minus 3 plus minus plus minus 2. What do we get here? Minus 5. It is also an integer. It is an integer. Okay, so we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. Now let's see whether the integers are closed or not for multiplication. Here also we can take the same numbers. Minus 3 multiply by 2. So what we get here? Minus plus minus and 3 to the 6. It is also is an integer. Is an integer. We can say that integers are closed under multiplication. Now let's see division. Again we are taking the same number. Also you can take any other number, but I am taking the same number. And 3 divided by 2, when you divide by 3 minus 3 divided by 2, so what you get here? Minus 3 upon 2, that is an rational number. Is an rational number, not an integer, not an integer. That's why we can say that integers are not closed under division. Got it? Now we can say that the integers are closed under addition. That's why we are writing here as. And integers are closed under subtraction. That's we are writing here also yes. And integers are closed under multiplication. That's we are writing yes here. And integers are not closed under division. That's we are writing here no, because we are not getting an integer here. In these three cases, we are getting the integers, integer, but we are not getting here integer. That's why we can say that integers are not closed under division. That's it. Now let us learn about commutative property. In when it is used to change the order or place of two numbers. Okay, we can change here a plus b. Whether a plus b can be written as b plus a or not. Let's see. Suppose a and b are two integers. Suppose a is minus 5 and b is plus 4. Here also I am writing in place of a, what should we write here? 4. And in place of a, what should we write here? Minus 5. This is a negative dash. We are putting the bracket. So we can solve it. Let's see. Here minus 5 for when we solve, what we get here? Minus 1. Here 4 will come as it is. Plus minus, here we can write here minus 5. Now minus 1 is equal to, when you subtract 4 from minus 1, what you get here? Minus 1. Both sides you are getting minus 1. That's why we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that addition is commutative. Now here subtraction. Here also we are taking the same numbers. Which is A is equal to -5 and B is equal to 4. Here in place of B I am writing 4 and B, what is the B? I am writing 4. And what is the value of A? -5. Here I am writing -5. Okay. Now we solve it. -5 and -4. Both having the like sign. The like signs we can add both. What we get here? -9. Let's see here. Minus plus. So we can write here +5. Here this minus sign become as it is here. 4 plus 5. What we get here? 9. Here we are getting -9. Here we are getting +9. So we can say that the left hand side is not equal to, sorry, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Got it? Now let's see. Here we can say that the subtraction is not commutative. Okay. Here for integers. Here multiplication. Let's same number we are taking. It is depend on your choice. You can take another number also. But I am taking the same number. -5 and then 4. Here -5 negative. That's why I am putting the bracket. Here 4 and here -5. When you multiply this minus plus minus 4 5 the 20. Here also plus minus 4 5 the 20. Here also we are getting -20 and here also we are getting -20. Okay, and we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we can say that the multiplication is commutative for integer. Let's see here. -5. What is the -5 divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by -5. If you divide -5, so we can write as a rational number like that, -5 upon 4. So you are able to understand. If I divide, so we can get the decimal number also. In that case also both sides will not be equal. Let's see. 4 divided by -5. Here we are getting -5 upon 4. Here you are getting 4 minus 5. Also you can write -5 upon 4 is equal to this negative sign. We can write as a standard form. So that's why we are writing here -4 upon 5. Here both sides are not equal. So we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side. We can say that division is not commutative for integer. Is that clear? Now we will learn about associative property. And one more thing I want to make you clear, the commutative property is used only for two numbers. You can change the order. Here just we have changed the order. Okay. So with that, I'm giving up an example. For example, I want to, when we have to use the commutative property. So with there are numbers 45 plus 78 plus 55. If I want to add this three number, okay, here we can change the place of this two number. Okay, now here we can write 45. Now we can change the order of this number. So you can write here 55 plus 78. After changing the place of A and B, so what is the A and this B? You can change 55 plus 78. Here now you can make the group of these two numbers. When you add, it is very easy to add these two numbers. 45 plus 55. When you add these two numbers, what you get here? 100 plus 78. We can write here 100 plus 78. Your addition becomes very easy. 178. That is the answer. This is the use of commutative property. Got it? Now we will learn associative property of integers for addition. So what we take three numbers, three integers. If A, B and C are any three integers, then what the sum of A and B plus C is equal to A plus the sum of B and C. What means? What does it mean? We are making the group of A and B in this side, and in this side we are making the group of B and C. Okay. Now with the help of this example, you can understand. In place of A, I am taking -2. In place of B, I am taking 3. In place of C, I am taking 4. So here also we are taking A is equal to -2, B 3, C 4. First we solve this side. When you solve 3 plus -2, what you get here? 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Here also -2 will come and it is 3 plus 4. Bracket number 7. Opposite sign subtract 5. First side you are getting the 5. So you can say that it does not make any difference when you are changing the group of integers. Got it? For addition.